Geography studies the characteristics of a space and place. So geographers identify and analyze the spatial pattern of health and well-being, food security, energy security, water security, biodiversity. These are the questions, these are the important phenomena shape our lives and livelihoods. Geographers ask appropriate question in order to understand our human responses to different type of environmental changes in the context of land use, water, climate change and urban sustainability. The discipline of geography is promoting transdisciplinary research. I quote, I see 4 areas in particular where geographers can make a special contribution to this effect. First is education. Geography class is one of the first place where young people come into contact with the world beyond their immediate surroundings. Second is capacity building in developing world where the new wave of geographic technology has enormous potential. Third is Millennium Ecosystem Assessment, an international collaborative effort to map the health of the planet. And fourth, cartographic and geographic information.
This short clip of Professor R.B. Singh Sir shows how dynamic personality he was. R.B. Singh Sir, the first Indian geographer to be the Vice President of International Geographical Union (IGU), left for the heavenly abode on 22nd of July early morning. R.B. Sir was a renowned professor of geography in India as well as the whole world. His passion and dedication for geography was beyond words. He was born in the Bihar state of India. He completed his Masters of Arts in Geography and PhD in Geography from Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. Then, Professor Singh served as a CSIR pool officer in Banaras Hindu University from 1980 to 1985. Then, he served as a lecturer in Delhi School of Economics from 1985 to 1988. In 1988, he served as a UGC Research Scientist B, Reader and UGC Research Scientist C Professor from 1996 to 2002 in Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi. And 2002 onwards, he served as a Professor of Geography in Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi. He was appointed as the Head of Department of Geography in Delhi School of Economics. He served at this post till 2016. Professor Singh was the Vice President of International Geographical Union since 2012. And was elected again for second consecutive term to 2016 to 2020. Of the highest world geographical body, International Geographical Union (IGU) at General Assembly and Congress concluded at Beijing, China on 25th August 2016. Professor Singh was first Indian geographer bearing dual distinction of IGU Vice President and ICSU Scientific Committee member. He was such a great personality that under his leadership during 2013 to 2016, the Department of Geography, Delhi School of Economics received 2 prestigious recognitions. The first being the Delhi School of Economics got second position among all the departments of the University of Delhi in showcasing good practices at Antardhwani 2014. And the second accomplishment he got that under QS World University ranking, the department featured ranked number 1 as the best institution in India for geography. And that was a marvelous achievement. Dr. Singh also served as Chairman of Research Council CSIR Central Food Technological Research Institute, Mysore, and Member Research Council CSIR Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, Lucknow. He also served as member of International Council of Science ICSU prestigious scientific committee, Health and Well-being in Changing Urban Environment System Analysis Approach. Professor Singh has specialized in land use and environmental studies, climate change, urban regional development, disaster management, remote sensing and GIS. He has to his credit 13 books, 34 edited research volumes, and more than 200 research papers published in renowned national and international journals. He was awarded the prestigious Japan Society for Promotion of Science JSPS Research Fellowship at Hiroshima in 2013 and several travel fellowships support from UNEP, UNITAR, UNISD SDR, IAP, UNU, UNCRD, INSA, UGC, SICI, MAIRS and University of Delhi etc. for participating and presenting papers, chairing sessions and discussing research projects in USA, Canada, Mexico, Japan, Australia, France, Finland, Denmark, Spain, UK, Germany, Switzerland, Georgia, Armenia, Czech Republic, Mongolia, Taiwan, China, Tunisia, Sweden, South Africa, Brazil, Luxembourg, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, etc. and etc. Many more countries that he had visited for his research purposes. He is also associated with the Nordic Institute of Asian Studies, Copenhagen, Denmark in 1998 and visiting professor for delivering invited lectures at University of Turku, Finland. He was one of the contributors in the famous The World Atlas Earth Concise Millennium House Limited, Australia. He was invited by UGC for preparing national level CBCS syllabus for undergraduate geography in 2015. He was expert in the prestigious committees of the Government of India, that is Ministry of Environment and Forest, Department of Science and Technology, National Disaster Management Authority, ICSSR, etc. He is only Indian geographer who was leading Indian National Science Academy INSA national delegation 3 times to International Geography Congress, Beijing, China 2016, Cologne, Germany 2012 and Tunis in Tunisia 2008. He had an immense passion and love for the subject of geography. He used to tell to students that geography subject or geography discipline has a wide range of applications where one can make career. Here is a short clip of Professor R.B. Singh Sir in which he talks about various applications or various career aspects in the geography discipline.
Mapping, a mapper, digital cartographer, a spatial planner, remote sensing GIS specialist, a tourism manager, publishing house, natural hazard managers, and we can contribute to the different emerging interactive areas like climate variability, weather forecasting, ocean observation system, potential fish zone, and so that is why apart from this biophysical we have also to focus on the human dimension of our society, and so geographers can emerge as a human geoscientist and we can promote the future earth stewardship.
Apart from his humongous experience in research and development in the field of geography, he loved interacting with students. He has given ample amount of lectures in various colleges and universities of India and authored many books on geography. He was an expert in urban geography and disaster management. His contributions in the field of geography are so important and large that his sudden demise feels like a personal loss to the people of geography fraternity. Professor R.B. Singh Sir has inspired us and will keep on inspiring us in the future. Through this short video, we, the whole family of Geographically YouTube channel, Department of Geography, National PG College, Lucknow, and the whole fraternity of geographers pay a small tribute to Professor R.B. Singh Sir and deepest condolences to his family. Sir, you will always remain in our heart. Om Shanti.